Hello everyone, Mark here again. Imagine having a month's worth of blog content done in just a few minutes. Sound impossible? Well, with the power of Make and Deepseek, it's not just possible, it's easy. In today's video, we'll show you how to leverage these tools to supercharge your content creation process and get ahead of the game. Whether you're running a blog, managing a business, or simply want to save time, this tutorial is your golden ticket to consistency and efficiency. Don't miss this step-by-step guide to create high-quality blog posts quickly and effectively. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on these game-changing tips. And if you're new here, don't forget to check out the playlist linked up above. And grab your free AI checklist in the link below and explore the lead generation bootcamp to level up your strategies. Okay, so today we're going to be building out some stuff in Deepseek and Make. This is the Make. I'll build this out for you. And we're going to go to Deepseek. I already did one thing, got everything set up, but basically what you would do is ask it for some information based on the keyword. Please do another list for, I don't know, chat or quote, chat bots for e-commerce. There we go. Let it go, and it'll make up another list here. So it gives me a table, chat bots, so forth. And I'm not going to make you wait through this because it's going to take a little bit of time. I'm going to try to keep things moving along. So what I did is I went ahead. It gives you 2 article ideas. Here's the keywords that I came up with. Here's 15. Here's the titles. Now it gives you 2 article ideas. I went through the article ideas and clicked out the ones that I liked best. And we set it up as roofing chatbot native articles. And then if we go back to Make, we're going to go ahead and integrate all this stuff. So we're going to start with Google Sheets, watch for new rows. That's going to be our trigger. Search for path, my drive. Okay, we can come here. I'll wait for it. And we're going to go, what was it called? Roofing chat bot native. That's the one right there. Native articles, let it go through. Sheet name, it's going to be sheet. And then limit, we're just going to do 1 for right now to make it easier. And we're going to choose manually right now so that we can show you kind of some differences that we can do here with it. All right. So we're going to start with this one right here. Don't worry about that invalid date. I'm not worried about that at all. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use Open Router right here. And we are going to create a chat completion with a fallback. And model including fallback, add an item. We're going to go, you can easily do it this way. You can type in free here and it'll list up all the free ones right here. Free. And you can see these are free, but we're using Deepseek 3. Simple enough. Add, and we're just going to go Deepseek 3 again. Deepseek 3. There we go. Now we're going to go messages and we're going to go role as user. Content, we're going to do please make a blog post. What do we want? Based on this keyword with SEO optimization, and then period, keyword equals, and we have the keyword right there. Boom. And that's done. Let's see if there's anything else I need. I don't believe there's anything else. It'll let me know if not. And that's the thing with Make. And then we go ahead and go add another module. We're going to WordPress and create a post. And we're going to do chatbot native. That works perfect. Title. We have listed out the titles already. So we got title. The content is going to be under choices, messages. Should have message and content. Whoop, I get too much in there. It should just be this one here. There we go. Message content, type. We want to do a post, and don't worry about any of that. The slug can be the keyword. Status, we want to have as a draft. That way we can review it. And we can do categories. We would probably add other categories, but we can always update this later. Not worried about that. And then me, and I believe we're good to go. Let's see if this is going to work for us. Let's go ahead and hit OK. Looks like it's all done. And we're going to go ahead and hit run once. And it'll go through here. There's that. Now it's going to the open router. Hopefully this works out all right. Now we're going to do the same post, I think, on 3 different occasions to show you what can be done actually and how we can change it, how we can make it better. And even the last one, I think I could even make better by adding some links within it, meaning internal links. And I can show you how to do that as well. All right, and it's posting. Did that. Now it's posting. Now we come back over here and we go refresh this. Let's see here. As I just hit refresh that way. And we go to our drafts. And here's what we have. So we can go ahead and go to preview. Open a new tab. Now this is probably going to be done in markup. Yeah, it's all done in markup, and it gives the title, meta description, which we don't need that. Call to action. All right, that's good. I like that. Overall, it's not bad, but obviously there'd be a lot of work I need to do with this to get it to look nice, and that's going to take a lot of time, which is not what we want. So let's go back over to Make, and we're going to change this one to SEO optimization and done in HTML. Okay, so if we just add that one and now hit run once and let it go, again, it'll take just a minute, and then we'll refresh once it's done. It is running, right? Oh, I made a mistake. I don't want to do this. Let's stop. I want to go choose where to start. Choose manually. I'm glad I didn't hit run once. It didn't run through it. We're going to start at the same spot, and we're going to hit OK, because I want to show you what the difference is between them. Now we run. Now it'll be in HTML, so it should look much, much nicer. There, now it's building out the blog post, as you can see. Take just a minute. Sorry about this. What I might do, no, I'll go ahead and keep talking. The other thing that we can do is, so what it's doing is it's going into here, pulling the keyword, pulling the title, and creating that off of the information that I've given it from DeepSeek, right? That one should be posted. Now, if I refresh this page, I think that's refresh. I can't quite reach it because it's underneath my thing there. So let's just go ahead and hit enter again. There's a second one. As you can see, this only took us 2 minutes to write 2 different articles. It's the same exact article. Let's go ahead and do a quick view on that one. Open a new tab. So here's the original one that I had. And let me get to the other one. This is the new one, and it's still done in, okay. Well, let me see if we can figure out why. And that's the thing with Make, is you got to play around with it a little bit to get it to work sometimes. Let me see if it's here. It might be under this part that I need to change. Post, excerpts, slug, draft, format. Let's see what format. All right, let's go standard in the format. See if there's anything else that I need in there. No, that should be okay. Let's try this one here. Oh, and don't optimize and write it in HTML. I told it not to do HTML. And write it in HTML. Please make the blog post based on this keyword with SEO optimization and write it in HTML. All right, now let's try again. We're going to come back here again. We're going to, we want to copy, where's it? Run this module, choose where to start. We're going to choose, and we're going to do the same exact one again. There we go. Okay. And we're going to run this once. And in the meantime, we're going to come back over here to our posts, and we're going to delete the second one that we did, which I believe is that one. So let's go ahead and trash this one. If we look 50, 52, we're going to trash the second one because I actually said don't do an HTML, which is not what I wanted to do. So let's come back here and see if that one's almost done. All right. Once it gets through this open router and runs through that, it actually goes pretty quick. Watch, see? Boom. Now let's come back here. We're going to go ahead. I don't need that up. Let's go ahead and go over to roofing contractor. This is where we want to be. Let's go ahead and refresh that again. Now we got the new one. So in 5 minutes, we've actually made 3 posts, all the same, admittedly, but it's easy enough to fix. All right, open this one. Now this one should look nice and pretty. All right, that's easy to correct, but look, there we go. Now it's looking much better. A little bit of adjusting that we need to do. Obviously, we'd want to edit and so we want to get rid of all this stuff down here too. So we would actually add in here, remove, we could add that in. But what I also want to do is I'm going to use my prompt that I always show you guys in the past. So we'll go ahead and go back over to Make. We're going to open AI router again, and we're going to change this out, and we're going to replace the whole thing with our prompt here, which is right here, and just copy this whole thing out and copy this. Now we're going to go back to Make. We're going to put it in here, and I forgot if I had, it's kind of messy. All right, should be in HTML. Enter your keyword here. All right, so keyword right here. So let's delete that, and we're going to go right here, and we're just going to go keyword. It'll work just fine. There's our instructions. Hit OK. And now we're going to start again. Make it start at choose where to start. And we're going to do a third one here just to show you the difference between the 3. Okay. And like I said, you can play around with this a little bit. I'm surprised it actually worked because as you saw yesterday, I had some issues with getting Make to work the first time around. And I ended up getting it to work, but it does take a little bit of time sometimes. But this is working great with Open Router. So we're all set, and we run once again and see what that one comes out at. It'll be much nicer and cleaner and probably easier to read. In the meantime, let's go ahead and take a look at what we have here. So this is the original one. In today's fast-paced digital world, I hate that. Let's look at the first one. Meta description. All right. In today's fast-paced digital world, roofing contractors. Okay, I hate that fast-paced digital world. That's why I use the negative keywords in there. So let's see. And it's done already. So we'll go ahead and refresh this again. And there's our latest one, 57. Let's go ahead and open preview. And this should look much nicer. Again, we got to clean this up a little bit, but that's pretty easy. All right. Have you ever wondered how roofing contractors can keep up a constant stream of customer inquiries, estimates, and scheduling demands? All right. See, so this is much, much better than breaking it down, instant customer support, real life takeaways, tackling challenges, and conclusion. So this is a really good article, at least a good start to an article. Now, I can put out, I mean, you saw how quickly that worked. I just made 4 posts within 7 minutes of drafts. Now, I would go in and optimize that, add some photos and stuff. So maybe you do 30 posts like this, and you probably run that, and it'll take maybe, let's say on the outside, 30 minutes to do 30 posts. But in the meantime, you can come in here and maybe spend 2 or 3 more hours. So in tops 3.5 hours, you could have a month's worth of posts, and you can sit down and schedule them out. And so then you're done for the month, and then you do it again next month. So I hope that was helpful. Again, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, as well as check out the free AI checklist and the lead generation bootcamp. Thank you very much.